All right, we got the chicken going. Well, it's almost done. It is done. Part of it.
We got some done, so I cooked some earlier. And then in the last segment, we started in a saute pan with a little bit of olive oil. And so I put some in there, and I just browned it on both sides, and now it's in the oven.
Yes.
But I just checked it, and it's not finished yet, but I already had some cut up, and that we did our quick marinade on.
We have all steps of chicken this morning. We have the chicken that's marinating, chicken that's cooking, and chicken that's done. Come prepared, Lucy.
I did come prepared today. I was impressed myself.
Yeah, right.
So we have that, and now we're just going to mix up our salad. So we're making our Greek chicken salad today, and you could use whatever lettuce you like. This is just a kind of a romaine blend.
Yeah.
And the good thing about cooking anything at home is that you can add whatever you like to it. So this is just what I like in a Greek salad, but you're welcome to omit anything that isn't your style.
Yeah.
So we just have some grape tomatoes, some shredded carrots, some cucumber, and some red onion.
Like all of that.
I forgot a bowl, so I'm not quite on top of it. So
No,
I'm in a baking
fine.
dish today,
Baking dish is fine.
that's okay. So we're also going to add some Kalamata olives, which are of course very Greek. These I got from our store in Robertsdale. You mentioned Robertsdale earlier. I have been working over there. We opened our store on, gosh, I'm like losing track of time whenever that was.
It's been,
a couple weeks ago.
we talked about it last week.
Yep.
So I feel like it's been at least a week.
At least a week.
At least a week.
So our new store in Robertsdale, and it has been awesome over there. The customers and the community have been just so pleased with the store.
Yeah.
We have a much bigger store, just a little bit south on 59 from where we were. And anyway, so I've been working over there. So yesterday I was gathering up the ingredients for this recipe, and I saw these olives and pepperoncinis that were imported from Greece. So I grabbed those, and then I was mentioning, of course, feta cheese you can buy crumbled already, but this recipe is in honor of my cousin Catherine, who I mentioned in the last two segments, and I got word that she's actually in surgery right now.
Okay.
So the surgery was supposed to be this afternoon, but it got moved up to this morning. So she's in surgery, so prayers, please, everybody. She's getting, unfortunately, her foot and a portion of her leg amputated due to cancer that I mentioned before. So I just thought, I got to make something for Catherine, and I just knew this Greek salad was the perfect thing.
Yeah.
So I just used the blocked feta, and I just crumbled some of that. Okay, so now we're ready to do our dressing.
Okay.
So again, when she always makes it the best, which I shouldn't say that with her sisters and her mom listening.
I feel like you're not measuring anything.
I know I'm not measuring anything, but on the website I did kind of give some measurements. So we're just going to use a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to use this rice vinegar.
Okay.
A little bit of this. There's a seasoned one and a natural one. Either one.
Yeah.
Either one is fine. I've used both. So just a couple of teaspoons of that.
I get real nervous.
I know. I know you're a major measurer.
Right.
She is. Chassie is very calculated.
I am.
She's a planner.
About
She's
more
very
than
calculated.
everything
and it's
in my life.
Funny because I feel like that you wouldn't really know that unless like you really know her. But she is a major planner. She's very.
Yes.
So I did some garlic powder, and now I'm going to use this Cavender's Greek seasoning. So we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of this in there, and then we're just going to toss it together. And you can add, doesn't that look so good?
Yes, it does.
It's so yummy.
I like the dressing too, because I feel like a lot of people are looking for a lighter dressing, maybe one that they can make at home and not buy already together, and so I think this is a good option for that too. Definitely.
It's so good, and this is just like, house salad around their house, and it's become that way with mine too, and it's so good, and it just goes with everything, so this is just kind of like the salad that they eat all the time. And then you would just put your chicken right on top. So this would be an awesome one to do for lunch or supper, especially during this time of year when everybody's kind of hot, and you might not want to have something heavy.
All right, sounds good. You can find the recipe online. We'll be right back.